Hi, my name's Chad Richardson with the Carrier Factory. I'm here to talk to you about the new Carrier Smart Thermostat today. We have that here on the wall behind me. You can see this is a nice minimalistic design with 4 capacitive touch sensitive areas for temperature, mode, and fan. Behind the thermostat, you can see it's held in place by magnetic retention. It's a patent pending design, as well as the pogo pin connectors, which make the contact between the base plate and the back of the thermostat. We also have offset push type connectors, so that's easy to insert the wires into the correct locations, and they're offset so that you don't fight getting the wires in the correct place. When you install this, you want to make sure that you've recorded what color wire goes to which connection from the previous thermostat before you take it off the wall. That way, when you install this thermostat, you can make sure that they're inserted into the correct connector. Before you install the thermostat, always make sure that you turn the power off at the furnace first. That way, you don't accidentally touch some wires and blow fuses or, worse, damage a transformer. Once you've confirmed that the wiring is correct to the base plate of the thermostat, you can now switch the furnace power on. After you've turned the power on, you can now install the thermostat. The first step will be to open your Service Tech app and select Connect to Equipment. Here you'll select Smart Thermostat, and there's some different options to connect the thermostat. You can scan the QR code, which is on the back of the thermostat. There's also a matching QR code on the hang tag that's in the box with the thermostat, as well as a QR code on the corner of the installation instructions that comes in the box with the thermostat. If none of those is available, there's also an option, I can't find my QR code. That will search for the thermostat once it's powered up, and it'll be broadcasting Bluetooth, and you'll be able to identify that thermostat and connect to it and continue the process. So we install the thermostat. It'll take about 5 seconds for it to power up, and you'll see the double dashes show up, and the flashing blue light indicates that the Bluetooth is broadcasting and it's ready to find it. We're going to go to the Service Tech app. We see the blinking blue light, which indicates that the Bluetooth is broadcasting and it's ready to connect. So we will connect to equipment, select the Carrier Smart Thermostat. In this case, the QR code's on the back of the thermostat, and I'm just going to select I can't find my QR code. It asks if it's blinking. It's already showing up on the screen here, so we'll select that thermostat, touch Next. The green light on the bezel indicates that it's connecting. The last step is to touch the fan button, and now you can see we're paired. Now we're ready to go through the process. This is a single stage air conditioner on this system, as well as a single stage gas furnace. So here it asks for the staging, single stage air conditioner, single stage furnace. This question is who controls the fan. This is the gas furnace, so we'll continue. This system does not have any accessories. This is to verify that you've connected the wiring correctly to the back of the thermostat. So we will apply this configuration. In this case, we are going to go with the factory settings. If you have some custom settings that need to be configured for the thermostat, you can do that here. We're going to select Next. In this step, you're able to do testing to make sure that the heat comes on with the correct number of stages and that the cooling works correctly. And this is to verify that the system operates as expected. In this case, we're going to skip the testing, but please go through the test process to make sure that everything works correctly on the site. In this case, I'm not the dealer, so I'm going to select Let the Homeowner Decide. If you are the servicing dealer, you'll want to select Yes. This installation is now complete, and the thermostat is ready to be connected to Wi-Fi with the Homeowner app, and that cannot be done with the Service Tech app. If at any time you have any questions or issues in installing this Carrier Smart Thermostat, please contact your distributor service manager and they'll be happy to help.